Hello, everyone. This is Miss Huda from Egypt. So, today, hello, guys. How are you today? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so today, first, I'd like to ask you, dear students, how do you usually or offer help when someone is lost? Okay. Yes, guys, I'd like you to help me with your phrases. I'm gonna write them on the board. Could you tell me how to get to go straight, then turn right? Okay. Okay, so for today's lesson's objectives. By the end of the class, you'll be able to identify key phrases and vocabulary related to given directions in English. Practice listening for specific details in a conversation about directions. Use technology to give exact directions. Engage in speaking activities to role play giving directions using real life scenario. Okay, okay, now let's listen to this audio. It's for someone giving directions in a busy city. Please listen for key details like landmarks, turns, street names. Um, okay. Now I will replay the audio and pause, asking for ask. I'll ask you then question. After listening, I will demonstrate how to use Google Maps to search for a location and describe the route to get there. Now I'll show you how to use Google Maps. Okay, I'm gonna share with you here. Hello, guys. How are you? This is Miss Huda from Egypt. And today, for today's lesson, first, I'd like to have a discussion with you guys. So, the first question that I'd like to ask you is, how do you usually ask for directions, or how do you usually offer help when someone is lost? Yes. What do you think, guys? Yeah, based on your experience. Exactly. Yeah, go ahead. Yes. Okay. That's really nice. Okay. So let me write on the whiteboard here some phrases relevant to giving directions and offering help. Okay. So, and I'd like you to help with your background. So, like what? Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. Could you could you tell me how to get to okay. Hmm. Yes. What else, guys? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. For example, go straight, turn right, and so on. Okay. Go straight. That's really amazing. Okay. Now, um, I'd like to introduce to you the objectives of today's lesson. Okay, so by the end of the class, you'll be able to identify the key phrases and vocabulary related to giving directions in English. Also, you'll be able to practice listening for specific details in a conversation about directions. You'll be able to use technology, Google Maps, to give exact directions. You'll be able as well to engage in speaking activities to role play giving directions using a real life scenario. Okay, so now I'll play the audio recording of someone giving directions. Okay, and let's listen. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm completely lost. Are you from here?
Where are you trying to get to?
Well, I was looking for the art museum, but I think I've taken a wrong turn somewhere.
I think so. You're miles away.
Really? This always happens to me. Directions are just not my thing, I suppose.
I think the best thing is to take a bus. It'll take ages if you walk.
Okay, guys. Now you need to replay, you need to re-listen to this audio, but for this time, you need to listen for key details like landmarks, turns, street names, and so on. Okay? After that, I'll replay the audio and pause, asking you some questions. So please listen carefully. Let's listen again. Okay. Now, after listening, I'll now demonstrate how to use Google Maps to search for a location and describe the route to get there. So pay attention with me now. Here, this is the website of Google Maps. Okay. It's very easy. You can just type on Google bar, search bar. You can type Google Maps and it's gonna be showing. So as you can see, we have, what do we have here? We have areas or different places in the area where we live in the city. We need to select the city or the area where you would like to look for, places. Okay, the directions of the places. Okay, for example, I picked here Fayoum. Fayoum is the city where we live in. Okay, so you're gonna have all the places. Suppose you'd like to go to Queen Hotel. Okay, how to get to Queen Hotel, for example. Hi, I'd like you to help me. How? Hmm. Yeah, okay. Straight, turn right, left. Very good. Excellent. This is how we know the directions when using Google Maps. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, next we have, so now I'll show you we're gonna have like an exercise on how to look for some places on Google Maps, okay? Uh, Now you need to work on pairs, sorry. Each pair will be given a location on a map to describe. Okay, so you need to discuss and then give me the direction. Using Google Maps, right? In Google Maps, you must give directions from one point to another. Okay. So, yeah, let's start. Take your time, then I'm gonna listen to your directions.